why nobody understands you, and how to fix it. People listen to those who make them feel heard. So next time someone speaks, try this. Repeat back what they said in your own words. For example, if a friend says, "I feel so stressed about work," you can respond, "So you're feeling overwhelmed by everything at work right now?" This small act makes people feel seen, and in return, they'll give you their full attention. Reflect to connect. Facts are forgotten, stories are remembered. If you want people to listen, share a quick story, even for simple points. Instead of saying "I had a bad day," say, "I spilled my coffee, missed the bus, and my boss yelled at me, all before 9 a.m. Stories make your emotions real to others. Try it and watch people tune in, make them feel it. Silence speaks louder than words. When you pause for 2 to 3 seconds during important points, it adds weight to what you say. I need you to really hear this. See? That pause pulls people in. Remember, reflect, tell stories and pause. When you master these, you won't just be heard, you'll be understood. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights here on the Listening Lounge. Let's learn together.